Above the fridge, you'll find two control panels. In this video, we'll show you how to use the motorhome control panel. While you're renting the motorhome, we suggest keeping the controls switched on. On the right side of the control panel, you'll see three round icons. The top icon shows how much power is left in the leisure battery. When the motorhome isn't plugged into external power, this battery takes care of running the fridge and the internal lights. The second icon represents fresh water. Just press and hold the button to see how much water is currently available. The third icon lets you check how much grey water you've got stored. If the grey water tank is empty, the lights won't come on.